Hi, my name is Rahman bin Mutalib. I am a mechanical engineering student from VISI Malaya. I work here as a assistant engineering trainee at VISINERGY. My duration internship start at 17th July until 7th of October. So today I will talk about installation of trunking. Okay, for the first step, we need to measure how much that we need to cut using the elbow, measuring tape and pencil. Okay, for the second step, we need to cut the measured part. For the last part, we need to use the self-screw screw to attach the trunking to the component. And now, the trunking is securely installed to the component. Okay, I hope you're learning something from today. That's all from me. Thank you. Okay, lastly, thank you VISINERGY Sdn and my supervisor Sir Umar for this internship opportunity. I hope all the best for all. Bye-bye.